Let's take a look at this 4K dashcam from REDTIGER. This dashcam features a touchscreen, night vision, a 160-degree wide-angle lens, and many more modern features. Apart from the dashcam itself, the package includes a standard car power adapter, the GPS unit which doubles as a window mount, along with an extra adhesive backing, 3M wire guides, a plastic pry tool, 2 anti-static stickers, as well as a user manual and quick start guide. The power adapter uses the latest USB-C port and also features an extra USB output which you can use to charge your phone or other devices. The dashcam itself is sleek looking. It's got a lens in the front and a touchscreen on the back. It's also got a speaker and a microphone at the front for recording sound if needed. All along the sides are cooling vents to keep the electronics cool. The camera securely slides onto the included mounting unit. Also at the top, you'll find the USB-C power port and an AV in port for adding another camera to the rear windshield, which is not included. On the left side, you have the power button and an SD card slot. This dashcam comes with a 32GB SD card, and on the right side, you have some menu navigation buttons. Alright, let's install it. First, we will plug the 12-volt car power adapter into its port. From there, we will strategically guide the wire down the side of the center console and under the passenger's side mat, and then up the side of the glove compartment, tucking it under the doorway's weather stripping. The included tool makes this pretty easy, and since it's plastic, it does not scratch the surface. We will need to guide this wire all the way up to the side paneling and finally over into where the windshield is, and then tuck it up and into where the car's ceiling and windshield meet. We will end up with a nice invisible wire that comes out near where the rear view mirror is mounted. Now before I mount the camera, I want to make sure I clean the surface with some rubbing alcohol. Turning on the car automatically turns on the camera and starts recording instantly. This is very convenient. There is no need to remember to do it each time you start driving. You can also easily detach the camera from the mount point whenever you need. This camera sits behind my rear view mirror and does its job perfectly, out of my view. It feels reassuring hearing it turn on and record each time I start my car. This is a very valuable tool to have, just in case. And it's got loads of features as well. It even has Wi-Fi and you can link it up to your phone using an app. I think this is an awesome dashcam and I highly recommend it.